Hello, dear crypto friends. Hope you are doing well. And let's have a look at Grandpa Bitcoin. There's a nice song called Games by Wizard. I like that. He says basically, why you wanna play them games on me? If we look at the chart, okay, there has been quite some confusion going on, guys, because we had been basically, breaking a few ranges and there was not much follow through. This doesn't always have to mean, that someone is, manipulating. Of course, like there are so many institutions, big pockets in this market who are gonna trying to move things in their direction, but uh, this one was a little bit, yeah. I mean, either we had many, orders coming into the bottom, or basically, bottom fishing, or of course, someone could also be playing games. Okay, we have also the Bakkt launch coming up, so quite a few things are happening. Let's just do a recap. What has been going on? We had this beautiful downward channel. We saw the breakout, and since then, basically, guys, uh, have a look at this. I mean, I had posted this in our group. Complete dojis. Okay, you could have played this breakout already. So this small one already, so a perfect U-turn. But then, just let's have a look on the daily chart. We had it on a much bigger scale. Okay, so that one was much bigger. Not sure if I have the equilibrium trend lines in here. Yeah, there you go. So we had basically this much bigger equilibrium going on, especially also with the tops here. Okay, let's make this black so you can see this. In any case, okay, even if we take it away, so what we would have wanted to see from this, sort of tightening going on, so the perfect case scenario would have been like this. Basically, the bulls holding the bottom, coming here, and then it's okay. We could have basically broken out bullish or bearish, but that would have been the natural way because we had quite a few inside bars. I mean, just have a look at the yellow color indicates inside bars, and inside bar is a complete indecision tightening, completely, like all of those daily candles are in this September 12th candle, which is pretty crazy, isn't it? And so that's what's been going on. That would have been the usual case. But what happened, guys, is that we got this crazy bear breakout. Okay, we got this crazy bear breakout, basically breaking underneath this high low in the tightening range, and then just seeing the follow through here up to, as you can see, 9,653. That's obviously on Binance, but nonetheless, So what happened, out of that as a result? Let's just have a look. So on Coinbase here, we basically got another touch, okay, in our bottom region. But somehow some orders were pretty quick here. So if we zoom onto the daily, into the 4 hourly, we can see the perfect V-shaped recovery. It goes a little bit higher. So we can definitely see, okay, we are still upholding, have a look, this previous zone right now. So that's exactly where we are at. And yeah, I mean, it's not like, it's over, like the bulls have won. The bulls will still have to see the break of this neckline, okay, of the 10,460 here in order to be able to see follow through. In this case, I would say up until the previous highs that we had at least, okay, if not even see the big breakout coming already. So could be solid 2 to 4%, 5%, at least up until 10,800 here, okay? So at least up until this zone, if not even already, we see basically the break of, to the weekly tops. So don't forget the weekly tops still here, okay? The weekly equilibrium still valid. We just had a very ugly wick going on, but on the weekly, it is half as dramatic as it looks like on the daily or on the 4 hourly. We can see, okay, that was a nice try. We came to the bottom, but we never obviously broke 9,500, the bottom range here, which goes even up to 9,300, as you can see, okay? But should the bulls basically take out 10.8, okay, we would have definitely potential to come to the equilibrium tops, okay, without the wicks, which are at 11,500. So this is what's been going on, guys. So decision is still out, okay? But of course, with every day that passes, with every direction we do, so basically, had the bears seen follow through here, of course, we could have already seen the breakout to the bear side coming. Strong orders kept us alive, whoever it was, they kept us alive here, and now we are basically back into the same zone. So this is what we were essentially also writing about all the time now, the past couple of days in our Slack group. So uh, if you are having trouble recognizing stuff like this, if you wanna basically read the chart yourself, if you don't want to depend on other people, you are very, very welcome to join Edgy. Join us. We have an amazing group now with very, very cool people who come from all ranges. Basically we have people who are developers, who are musicians, who are running portfolios themselves. So like for clients. So it's a wild mix of we have CTOs in there. So everything is in there. Very cool. Even a physicist. Hello, Nico. Even a physicist now, and it's so awesome to exchange on that high level of expertise, of people who basically go through the mentorship. The mentorship is going on for 2 months. You will basically get all of my knowledge that I have done through all the mistakes, not just in crypto, but starting with gold back in 2012. So you will get that compressed into 2 months where you will perfectly learn to analyze the chart yourself, like look at the trend, understand where is the highs, where is the lows, and from there, just like Lego bricks, build up uh, the pattern understanding, basically perfectly reading the chart. This is one part of the mentorship. The second part, which is the crucial one afterwards, is then basically understanding money and risk management, how to basically position size, how to set up a system that works for you in the long term. So basically, how to trade like a casino where we make 100 trades and be successful on the majority of those. Yeah. So I'm personally a breakout trader. I'm mostly playing the 4 hour to daily chart. This is where my expertise is in. This is what I will teach you. But of course, there are many other very well functioning strategies. For example, mean reverting strategies where you're going against the trend. So you basically are bottom fishing, just like the whales here. But that's obviously not the example here, but yeah, like for example, RSI bounces, basically playing inside the ranges instead of the breakout. So many trading strategies that are out there. It is working, So it is working if you know what you're doing. If you are having trouble, just like I did once, okay? If you're in the losing loop and you will be risking more, you will get into revenge trading, you will do bad trading because you want to, get the money back. I know all of those feelings. This you definitely want to get out of that. And yeah, we have an awesome group. If you want to join one, even if it's not AG, please join one. Don't trade alone because it can be a huge stain, especially if you're losing. If you have other friends, if you have other people who are looking at the same stuff together with you, it's half as painful than if you were losing money on yourself. So hopefully we can stop that in that case, preserve your capital, and of course, from there, build on to a functioning, profitable system over the long term. That is the case, guys. I am personally looking at the weekly, like I told you. So I might be playing the 10.4 K break here if it's gonna come to the upside already up to 11.5. As you can see, I mean that's quite some nice potential here already of 10%. But essentially, it's gonna be the weekly break. If you just put the bullish trend lines in here, you won't even be seeing those like this daily descending that, of course, everyone is looking at. Okay, so everyone is seeing that descending one, but first of all, a descending triangle after a huge bull move up, okay, we are coming from 3K straight to 14K, is still very bullish. And if you go to the weekly, you won't even be seeing this descending, okay? You will just see it as a very, very nice bull flag. Uh, And you can go back and check when I posted this. I see quite a few people on TradingView posting this now. But I posted this pretty early on that this is a very nice bull flag. And yeah, so the probability is more bullish, but we will see. And it's no problem. No matter in what direction it will break eventually. Even if we break bearish, we can make amazing profit. Of course, if it breaks bullish, we will have beautiful follow through potential. Even up to all time highs, who knows? So that's it. Okay. Just let me know. Everything is in my signature. You can directly go to the website and apply, or you can just write me on TradingView. Everything is possible. It's a beautiful weather out there in Munich right now. I wish you great weekend. Crypto is 24/7, but don't forget your life. You know, that's the good thing in the forex and the commodities, like in the stock market. There is the weekend pause, but don't forget, my friends, to take pauses. It's very important to spend time with friends, with family, so you don't basically get completely stuck inside the charts and neglect your social life. So this is all important. The opportunity is always going to be there. And just have a look. EOS is one of the best cases. You know, just have a look at this. Trading back and forth, okay? You can make so much profit. You don't have to be there. This was on all the way up. You could have played dozens of breakouts. All the way down, you could have played dozens of breakouts. Opportunity is huge, okay? You don't have to worry about opportunity. Once you get the system, once you know what you're doing, you can play anything. You can play any market. You will always have opportunity. You don't have to worry to be, basically not catching up on the train, missing the train. So it's no problem. That's it. I say adios, amigos. No matter where we are on this planet, hit the like button. Definitely make sure to subscribe to follow me if you're not doing already. And we will see each other in the next BTC Technical Analysis. See you.